In this video, we're going to show you how you can fix an external microphone that isn't working on Windows 11. If you find this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. So, say you plugged in an external mic, but it's not picking up any sound. Don't worry, here's a few things that you can try. Begin by checking your microphone for a physical mute switch or button. If it has one, just make sure it's not muted. I know that seems like common sense, but you'd be surprised how many people accidentally mess that up. If that's not the case though, don't worry. You want to go ahead and go to the bottom right corner of your screen and actually right click on this little sound icon right here and then select sound settings. Once you get to a page that looks something like this, you're going to want to scroll down till you find this little input section right here and just check that your external microphone is selected. If it's not showing up or not working, we'll cover that in a bit. If it is showing though, make sure the volume isn't muted and adjust the input level as needed. If the mic still doesn't work or isn't appearing, simply try unplugging it in and plugging it back in or using a different USB or audio port to see if that resolves the issue. If it doesn't though, simply scroll down on the sound settings tab once again until you find the more sound settings option. Open it up and a new window is going to open just like so. Go ahead and navigate to this recording tab right here and look for your microphone in this section. If you see it but it's disabled, simply go ahead and right click on it just like so. And as you can see where it says disable here, you're going to want to go ahead and click enable. Once it's enabled, it should now appear on that input list. If you're still having issues in that same sound settings window, scroll down until you find that advanced settings section again, and then find the input devices section just like so and click on it and run that troubleshooter that's going to appear. Hopefully one of these steps has resolved that issue for you. If this did help you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tech tutorials.